Gamblers, please, 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 please file your tax returns. Because if you don't, the IRS is going to assume that all those gambling winnings reported to them on Form W-2G at the casino send out, they're going to assume that that was all pure profit to you. We get so many cases here at Choice Tax Relief of gamblers. Well, I'm going to make a distinction here. There's professional gamblers, okay? They can report their winnings and their losses on Schedule C, okay? Business. Now, there's non-professional gamblers, right? People who they're not professional poker players, not doing gambling as a living. With you folks out there, which are the majority of people, right? You'll see at a casino. With you folks, you got to report your gambling winnings on as other income. And then you can take a deduction, an itemized deduction on Schedule A up to the amount of your gambling winnings, okay? And that's most of the folks. Well, we do have some professional gambler clients, but most of the folks who have W-2Gs, gambling winnings that we have at Choice Tax Relief fall into that latter bucket. And you really got to report those taxes because this is such an easy SFR for the IRS, right? We get so many folks where the IRS is going after them, preparing an SFR for them, again, pretending that those gross gambling winnings with the W-2G is pure profit, right? Which it's obviously not. You put money in. So it's vitally important that gamblers, anyone with gambling winnings, files their tax return to be able to deduct their losses up to their gambling winnings, right? Obviously, if you're a professional gambler, the rules are a little bit different. Now, so one thing I want to say, though, is please be aware of your state rules. While even for non-professional gamblers, you can deduct your gambling losses up to your gambling winnings, there are some states out there that don't give you that deduction for gambling losses, like the IRS does. And it's vitally important to keep this in mind. After you've done the tax return, you owe all this tax it to the IRS and the state, because that's going to affect how you position your resolution. Okay. So every, industry or type of income or whatever has its little nits. Gambling has some unique aspects to it. And I just want to make sure that if you have significant gambling winnings out there, that you're filing your tax returns, or the IRS will likely file a substitute for return SFR against you and try to collect tax from you as though all your gambling winnings were pure profit, not giving you any credit for the money you actually had to put in to earn the gambling winnings. And of course, when you don't have those wager amounts in there, wow, it can look like you actually made a whole ton of money when you might have actually not made that much money at all, or even lost money, right? Anyway, folks, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have tax debt, whether due to gambling or something else, please give us a call at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX, or you could visit our website, choicetaxrelief.com. Fill out the form on our website. I have some other tax relief videos here on the left-hand side of the screen. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.